Hi, my name's Steven with Jon Wayne Service Company. Today we're at one of our customers' home that has a leak in the backyard. We're going to go ahead and take care of that for them today. Let's go check it out. So if there's any time a customer says that they have a leak, we're going to go ahead and we're going to come out and find your meter. This is our main source and water source of the whole home. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up this main city meter right here. Right here is going to be the meter. This little dial, if there is a leak in the home, you'll see it spin. So what you're going to do is you're going to get yourself a meter key or a curb stop key, and you're going to go ahead and put it on right here, and then you go ahead and turn it off completely, and that will turn off all the water going to the home. Yes, there are other ways to turn off water. Sometimes there will be a box in the front of the meter with the ball valve right here with the red handle. You go ahead and you pull this up, that as well will go ahead and isolate the whole line going towards the home. Now that we have the water turned off to the home, we're going to go ahead and look at the problem in the backyard. Let's go take a look. So what happened here today is that a PVC 90 ruptured underneath the decking, preventing pressure going to all the fixtures inside the home. The recent freeze that happened went ahead and ruptured the PVC piping. So what we're going to do is we're going to restore the flow to the home for the homeowner today. That's it for right here. Let's go ahead and make our way down. Once again, my name is Steven. If you have any plumbing issues, go ahead and give us a call or go visit us at jonwayne.com.